Hello class, welcome to Seminar 1. We are at week 10. The countdown is on. We are almost at the finish line. So there was an emergency and I would have to put this class online. We are already online, but this class we were just going to discuss the next discussion board that is due, which is number 4 discussion. Okay, so if you go under communication, discussion, and scroll all the way down. Okay, what I want you guys to do is think about and consider all the learning that has taken place this semester in Seminar 1. And you will use the Code of Ethics and Standards of Practice and any other guiding documents to best answer the scenario. Okay, there's going to be guiding questions. You're going to read the scenario and then you're going to answer the questions. So, thinking about this dilemma, okay, if this scenario was to happen to you in a preschool classroom as an ECE, how might you best respond to this parent, okay? What can Kristen do to answer this concern? Should Kristen honor the wishes of the family or allow Jane to continue to drink water instead of milk? How would you react in a similar situation? Okay, so remember, you have to refer back to the Code of Ethics and Standards of Practice, as well as any other guiding documents as your guide to answer this question. Okay, here would be the scenario. Please read through the scenario and answer the question. You are also required to reply to one peer's post. So after you post your answer, take some time. If you post early, you can come back midweek, end of the week, to see what your peers are posting, and then you can respond to their post as well for full marks, okay? So this discussion board will be open Wednesday, March 24th. That is tomorrow, okay, at 12:30. And it will be available for 1 week. So it will be available until next week, Wednesday, March 31st, before class begins, okay? So I was already going to have next week's class. Actually, no. Next week's class, we will discuss the e-portfolio, the last part of that, okay? And answer any questions if you guys have any questions. And then I'll let you know what's going to happen in the next several weeks, okay? The schedule that we've decided. If you have any questions, you can just email me any questions and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, take the time to post your response and catch up on any work, okay? Thank you very much. I will see you guys next week.